Welcome to Intact Knowledge. In our QA/QC document series, today we are going to understand one of the most critical activities, method statement for HVAC Works. We have already covered method statements from excavation to steel structure. Today, we will study HVAC Works. Let's start.
Why HVAC works are important. HVAC works are critical because they provide thermal comfort, they ensure indoor air quality, they control temperature, humidity, and ventilation. Poor HVAC installation affects system performance and energy efficiency. That's why HVAC works must be properly planned and controlled. What is a method statement? A method statement is a written document that explains how a construction activity will be carried out, sequence of work, safety and quality controls, responsibilities of personnel. It ensures controlled and safe execution of work. What is HVAC system? HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, air conditioning. HVAC systems are used to control indoor environmental conditions in buildings. What is method statement for HVAC Works? Method statement for HVAC Works describes installation procedure of HVAC systems, material handling and storage, testing and commissioning requirements, quality control measures, safety requirements. It ensures efficient and reliable HVAC system performance. Objective of HVAC method statement. Main objectives are ensure correct installation as per drawings, achieve required cooling heating performance, maintain air quality standards, prevent leaks, noise, and vibration, meet project specifications. Scope of work. This method statement applies to HVAC ductwork installation, chilled water piping, HVAC equipment installation, insulation works, testing, adjusting, and balancing tab at all project locations. Reference documents. HVAC work shall comply with approved HVAC drawings, shop drawings and coordination drawings, project specifications, project quality plan, PQP, ITP for HVAC works, manufacturer installation manuals, relevant codes and standards. Responsibilities. Responsibilities include project manager, overall coordination, MEP engineer, execution and supervision, QA/QC engineer, inspection and compliance, safety officer, safety monitoring, HVAC supervisor, foreman, work control. Materials include HVAC ducts and fittings, chilled water pipes and fittings, air handling units, FCUs, VAVs, diffusers, grills, insulation materials. All materials must be approved, tested, stored properly. Plant and equipment. Typical equipment used: lifting equipment, duct fabrication tools, welding and brazing machines, pressure testing pumps, hand tools. All equipment shall be inspected, certified, safe to use. Storage of HVAC materials. HVAC materials shall be stored in dry covered areas, protected from damage and dust, properly labeled. Proper storage maintains system quality. Installation of HVAC ductwork. Duct installation shall be as per approved shop drawings, properly supported and aligned, sealed to prevent air leakage, fire dampers installed where required. Installation of HVAC equipment. Equipment installation shall be as per manufacturer instructions, properly leveled and aligned, mounted with vibration isolators. Chilled water piping installation. Piping works shall include proper routing and supports, welding, brazing as approved, pressure testing before installation. Insulation works. Insulation shall be applied after inspection approval, proper thickness and vapor barrier ensured, neatly finished. Testing and commissioning. Testing shall include pressure testing of piping, duct leakage testing, testing, adjusting and balancing tab, functional performance testing. Safety measures. Safety controls include use of PPE, working at height safety, hot work permits, safe lifting operations, electrical safety. Quality control measures. Quality checks include material approval, installation inspection, pressure and leakage testing, alignment and level checks, QA/QC approval. Inspection and approval. Inspection includes internal QA/QC inspection, consultant client inspection, approval before commissioning. No work shall proceed without approval. Records maintained. Records include HVAC inspection requests, material approval documents, pressure test reports, tab reports, commissioning records. Common HVAC defects. Common defects include air leakage, improper airflow, noise and vibration, poor insulation. Proper control prevents system failure. ISO and QA/QC compliance. HVAC method statement supports ISO 9001 quality, ISO 40001 safety, project QA/QC requirements. Relation with other documents. This method statement is linked with method statement for structural steel works, method statement for electrical works, method statement for plumbing works, ITP for HVAC works, NCR control procedure, CAPA procedure. Conclusion. Method statement for HVAC works ensures efficient system performance, quality installation, energy efficiency, safe and controlled execution. If this video helped you understand method statement for HVAC works clearly, please like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge. Keep in touch for more professional tutorials on QA/QC documents and construction method statements. Thank you.